Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making a loaf cake. All the ingredients are here. So I'm going to start by breaking the eggs. And it's a delicious, it's very lemony, and it's really easy. Put the eggs in the kitchen in here. And I'm going to add the sugar. Okay, let's start. I'm going to add the oil. I'm going to start adding the flour. And here I have fresh lemon juice. So I just squeezed 2 lemons. Okay, so add the juice. And I'm going to add the lemon zest. I'm gonna add the rest of the flour and the baking powder. Just stop it for a little bit, and I'm just gonna get everything, collect all the sides and all around. Okay, mix it all around. Smells good with the lemon. I'll make sure you butter your dish here, your pan. And I'll put the rest in the other pan. So they're ready to go in the oven, and I will show them to you when they come out. Beautiful. Okay, the lemon loaves are ready. They are out of the oven. They're still a little warm. They look nice. So here. So here I squeeze some lemon, fresh lemon. So I'm gonna just put some of the lemon juice in the plate. Okay, so we don't get any of the seeds inside here. I'm not gonna put too much, just a little bit. Icing sugar, make it like a little creamy. Needs a little more. So there's no measurements to the icing sugar and with the lemon. If you want more, you put more, you know. So I'll do this one with the lemon icing. So it's nice when it falls from the side. So like, you know, I like it a little light, but if you want it thicker, you can do it thicker and you can do it lighter. I've had it before with the lemon icing with this one, and it's delicious. Who doesn't like lemon? Icing sugar, put it on top. It's up to you how much you want to put. So this one here, does it look beautiful? Okay, with just icing sugar. And this one, we did it with the lemon icing. And you can serve this with fresh lemons. Nice. Okay, I'll cut it and show you a little piece. So fresh, delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.